Hi, let me ask you one important question today. What do you think can truly change a person's life? Is it talent, luck, motivation, money? No. Most life transformation happens because of one thing: consistency. Not one powerful day, not one motivational moment, daily repeated action. And today, we are going to talk about something incredibly powerful: the power of 90 days consistency. Because honestly, most people underestimate what they can achieve in 90 days. And at the same time, they overestimate what they can achieve in one day. That is why people stay frustrated. They want immediate results, immediate success, immediate transformation. But life does not work that way. Real growth happens quietly, slowly, daily. And if you stay consistent for a 90 days, your thinking changes, your habits change, your confidence change, your identity change, your life changes. So today, I want to show you the real power of consistency and why 90 days can completely transform your future. Let me share something very personal. In my own life, whatever meaningful progress I achieved did not happen because of one big breakthrough. It happened because of consistency. When I was struggling during my student life, I did not suddenly become successful overnight. I studied daily, I improved slowly, I kept moving. Later in my career, the same things happened. Whether it was building a skill, managing projects, growing professionally, writing books, creating videos, building audience, nothing happened instantly. Everything happened because of repeated effort over time. Even now, when I record videos, write blogs, create podcasts, publish books, many people only see the final result, but they don't see the daily effort, the repeated action, the disciplined routine, the days when I did not feel like working. And this is the truth most people miss. Success is usually boring because success is repetition. Now, let us talk honestly. Why do most people fail to stay consistent? First, they want fast result. People start something and after 5 days they expect transformation. When results don't come quickly, they quit. But real growth takes time. A seed does not become a tree in 1 week. Second, they depend on motivation. They work only when they feel inspired. But emotion changes daily. Consistency built on emotions always break. Third, they set unrealistic goals. People try to change everything at once. Wake up at 4 a.m., work out daily, read books, build business, create content all together. Then they burn out. 4. They ignore small progress. This is a big mistake. People think small actions don't matter, but life change through small repeated actions. Fifth, they quit too early. Most people stop just before results appear because progress is invisible in the beginning. And this is where consistency becomes powerful. Now, let us talk about why 90 days is so powerful. First, 90 days changes your identity. At first, you force yourself to act. At first, you focus yourself to act. But after repeated action, your brain starts accepting. This is who I am now. For example, you become a writer, you become a disciplined, you become a healthier, you become focused. Consistency changes identity. Second, 90 days builds momentum. In the beginning, everything feels difficult. But after repetition, actions becomes easier. Momentum starts building and momentum is powerful because motion creates motivation. Third, 90 days create confidence. Confidence does not come from positive thinking. Confidence comes from keep promises to yourself. Every day you take action, you prove to yourself, I can trust myself. That creates real confidence. Fourth, 90 days rewire. 90 days rewires your brain. Your habit shape your brain. Repeated actions create neural patterns. That means what feels difficult today can become automatic tomorrow. And the fifth, 90 days separates you from average people. Most people quit early. So if you simply continue, you automatically become different. Consistency itself becomes your advantage. Look at athletes. They train daily. Look at successful authors. They write daily. Look at content creators. They post consistently. Look at successful businessmen. They improve daily. Nobody succeeds because of one day. They succeed because they stayed consistent longer than others. Even in my own journey, writing 30 plus books did not happen in 1 month. It happened one page at a time, one chapter at a time, one day at a time. Consistency created everything. Now, let me give a practical system. If you want transformation in 90 days, follow this. Step 1, choose one area. Don't try to improve everything. Choose one: health, discipline, writing, content creation, reading, fitness, business. One focus. Step 2, define daily minimum action. Keep it simple. Example: 30-minute writing, 20-minute exercise, 10 pages reading, one video daily. Small but daily. Step 3, remove complexity. Simple systems survive longer. Complex system fails quickly. Step 4, track daily progress. Tracking creates accountability. Use calendar, habit tracker, notebook. Mark every completed day. Step 5, never miss twice. Missing one day is human. Missing 2 days creates pattern. So recover quickly. Step 6, focus on process, not results. This is very important. Don't ask, where are results? Ask, did I show up today? Because results are delayed, but growth is happening internally. Let me give you one life changing mindset shift. Most people ask, how long will success take? Wrong question. Ask, can I stay consistent long enough? Because time rewards consistency, not intensity. So today, I want to challenge you. Choose one area of your life and commit 90 days. No excuses, no emotional decision, no quitting early. Just consistency. And I promise you, you will become a different person. Maybe not perfect, but stronger, more disciplined, more focused, more confident. Let me leave you with one powerful truth. Most people destroy their future because they stop too early. But people who stay consistent eventually win, not because they are smarter, not because they are luckier, but because they continued. So from today, stop searching for shortcuts. Start building consistency. Because 1 year from now, you will either regret quitting or thank yourself for staying consistent. The decision is yours. So if this message connected with you, comment below. 90 days, no excuses. Subscribe for weekly growth podcast and start your own 90-day transformation journey today. Remember, consistency look small every day, but over time it changes your entire life. Thank you.